Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Buying ServiceNow is easy. However, making it actually work in a real company is the hard part. That work is led by a ServiceNow implementation specialist. In this video, I will explain what this role is all about in 5 clear points. Number 1, a simple definition. So a ServiceNow implementation specialist is the person who lead the full implementation of ServiceNow solutions for a customer or for their own organization. They manage the whole journey from understanding the business need to configuring and customizing the platform to training the user and supporting them after go live. So in simple words, they are responsible for taking ServiceNow from installed to properly used in daily work. Number 2, core responsibilities. So the main responsibilities of implementation specialist is to configure, customize, and deploy ServiceNow module so they can match real business processes. That typically includes mapping the existing processes such as incident handling, service request, changes, customer cases, etc. into ServiceNow workflows. Then setting up forms, catalogs, and portals so users can raise and handle work through the platform. Then making sure the implementation follows the good practices and fits with how the company wants to work in future. So we can say that an implementation specialist is judged by one thing. Does the solution actually work for the business in real life or not? Point number 3, day-to-day work. So on a normal project, a ServiceNow implementation specialist is doing the following: meeting with business owners and process leaders to understand how they work today and what they want to improve, designing and configuring the flows, forms, service catalogs, and portals in ServiceNow to match those needs, setting up and coordinating things like CMDB, discovery, or event management if the project include infrastructure and monitoring, planning and supporting integration with other systems such as monitoring tools, HR systems, CRM, email, or ticketing tools, and lending and supporting user testing, fixing issues found in UAT, and training users before and after go live. Point number 4, who they work with. So an implementation specialist sits between business and the technical teams. They work with business stakeholders and business analysts to refine the requirements and confirm that the solution matches the process. They work with developers when requirements need scripting or custom applications beyond the configurations. They also work with admin and the platform teams to align on environments, roles, access, and upgrades. They also work with architects or platform owners to ensure the implementation fits the broader platform strategy and standards. So we can say that they are the main point of contact who keeps everyone aligned around the implementation. Point number 5, why this role matters. So when this role is strong, user feels that ServiceNow works the way we work. They adopt the platform and it becomes part of their daily routine. However, when this role is weak, user says the tool is fine, but it does not matches our reality. And finally, adoption drops. Okay, so that is why many organizations look specifically for ServiceNow implementation specialists. They are the ones who turn the platform into a working solution, not just a technical install. So ladies and gentlemen, that is what a ServiceNow implementation specialist do. In the next video, we come up with architect or platform owner and see how those roles Look at the whole platform instead of just one project. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the video. Bye bye.